Good morning, everybody. This is Bradley here. This morning, Van Wert, Ohio is getting ready to start the Civil Defense Emergency Siren Test here in Van Wert, Ohio. We test them every Monday morning at 10 a.m. every Monday morning, depending on the weather. Well, right now the weather's pretty nice out here for today for a test of the sirens here. They should probably get ready to start at any minute, though. Okay. Right now it's now 10 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, there's some other cities that do their siren tests here in the United States. Some do, usually there's weekly, sometimes every week, or sometimes monthly, according to whatever siren they do have in their city. Yeah, like ours, we do ours at Monday morning at 10 a.m. depending on weather. It's nice out for today, so we got some nice sunshine and some partly cloudy skies out here today. It would be a great day to have the siren test for Van Wert, Ohio today. Don't worry, folks, it's going to start in a sec. All right, there they go. There you go, folks. Yes, folks, that is loud. It has to be loud so it can warn people out here in case there's any severe weather alerts that might threaten the city of Van Wert. The sirens can warn people out here to get to shelter immediately in case there's like a warning for the location in the area. Well, there you go, folks. That's the siren test here in Van Wert, Ohio. Well, everybody, hope you're really enjoying that. I'll get more siren tests again soon. Hope you subscribe and get what you think about the siren test. Just remember, folks, tornado sirens or sirens can warn us just in case if there's like actual emergencies, like when there's like a warning that might threat to our city in Van Wert, the state of Ohio, and also our country. Just in case if there's like an actual emergency, like a tornado, flash flood, a hurricane, or any weather events or civil emergency warnings that might threat to our country and the world. All right, well, everybody, hope you're really enjoying the siren test. We'll get more again soon. I hope everybody joins their siren test for wherever you're at here in the United States and the world. All right, stay tuned for more siren tests soon. All right, stay tuned for more. All right, thank you. All right, bye.